Join us and learn how to make these triple drop gemstone and leaf earrings in the step-by-step Cognac Jewellery School online course. This start-to-finish project gives you all the information you'll need to combine silver clay techniques with traditional jewellery making techniques to create a pair of cabochon gemstone and leaf earrings. In this course, you'll learn how to create solid silver leaves using silver clay paste and real leaves, how to create silver bezel settings using fine silver bezel strip and silver sheet, a variety of different soldering techniques, and how to bezel set cabochon gemstones, as well as many other techniques that you can use for all your future projects. This course is broken down into 21 easy-to-digest lessons in 3 distinct chapters. You can complete this project in one go, or if you need to take a break, the handy progress bar will remember where you are, so you can easily pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, the essential guide to gemstones, and a full tools and materials list to buy anything you might not already have. In addition, you'll also receive access to bonus videos to extra information to technical aspects of this online course. And finally, all online courses grant you direct access to help and support to answer any questions you may have along the way. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your queries to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.